Going back to Collins's principles, discipline people, discipline thought, discipline action, and then you spin the flywheel and eventually you get that breakthrough that everyone's looking for. But it all starts with disciplined people, the right people, not creative people. Creative's easy. Creativity is super overrated. Unless it's creativity to help lead people to do great things, then that's great. So disciplined people, which is level 5 leaders, and then first who, then what. Basically, first get the right people on the bus in the right seats, and then let them do their great work and they'll figure out the what. So let's drop into this. We call them A players in our language, or I like to say aces in their places if we were playing cards. And you know what Collins says, and he is the source code on this stuff. If you want to be a great company, you need 90% of your key seats filled with the right people. That is critical. And the right people. These are excellent people, level 5 leaders who do great work, who are a dream to work with. But you can't be a great company if you only have good people. It doesn't work.